The Strength of Unity, A Tale of Cooperation. In the heart of a vast and fertile valley lay the village of Eldermere, a community bound not by walls but by the strength of its people. Life in Eldermere was simple but rich, for the villagers understood a great truth: only through cooperation could they thrive. Seasons passed in harmony because every villager played a role. The farmers tilled the land and shared their harvest, ensuring that no one went hungry. The blacksmith forged tools and weapons, keeping both work and safety in balance. The weavers crafted warm clothing for winter's chill, and the healers tended to the sick with gentle hands and ancient remedies. One year, a harsh drought threatened Eldermere. The river, once brimming with life, shrank to a mere trickle. The crops withered under the sun's relentless gaze, and the people grew desperate. Fear gripped the village as hunger loomed on the horizon. Yet, instead of surrendering to despair, the villagers came together. They devised a plan: those with wells would share their water, the hunters would seek food beyond the valley, and the builders would construct irrigation channels to guide what little water remained to the fields. Each person contributed what they could, no matter how small. Days turned to weeks, and slowly, their efforts bore fruit. The irrigation channels preserved enough crops to sustain them, the hunters brought in fresh game, and the community's shared resources kept them alive. By standing together, they overcame what seemed like an insurmountable challenge. When the rains finally returned, Eldermere emerged stronger than ever. The villagers realized that cooperation was not just about survival, it was the very essence of their prosperity. From that day forward, they taught their children this lesson: when hands join and hearts unite, even the greatest of trials can be conquered. And so, Eldermere flourished, not because of one great leader or a stroke of fortune, but because its people understood the power of working together.